When you go solar with SunSent, one of the first steps is your site survey. This helps us design a custom system that fits your home perfectly. Our technician follows a detailed checklist in our app to make sure every detail is covered. They'll take clear photos of all 4 sides of your home and detailed pictures of the roof. We'll capture shots of your electric meter outside and the main panel inside, usually in your basement. We'll look through the attic, often accessible through the garage, and trace where your electrical wiring runs. Our team measures your home to plan out how much wiring will be needed for the install. If you're planning to add a battery or EV charger, we'll help figure out the best location and add that info into your file. Finally, we'll launch a drone to capture aerial images at multiple heights. These 3D scans help our design team create a precise layout for your solar panels. From start to finish, the site survey takes about 30 minutes. It's low hassle for you, but gives us everything we need to build your custom solar solution.